Today was day 16 of Path to Profitability by TJR. It was Strategy Explained. Apparently, it was his last video on this mini series. Still on his Strategy Explained, it was pretty much just stacking the confluences or like the thought process, not necessarily a step by step, but more a step on the thought process of it. In which, in short words, it's pretty much identify the bias, daily bias of on higher time frames. After that is identify the areas of liquidity, like for example, previous days highs and lows, and then each session's highs and lows, because we're still looking for that open market manipulation. And at the same time, once we have those areas of liquidity identified and the bias as well, it's more like a waiting game on identifying the confluences that we get. Break of structure, fair value gap, order block, equilibrium, and he also mentioned that's more a lot about just first-hand experience. That means that I am gonna have to rewatch some of the videos, get a fresh look on them, and get on the chart and practice. Put in the hours in the chart, let it be live session or back testing, just to make sure that we can develop this skill as well as it needs to be. Also, then today it's 11:57 p.m. Saturday, January 17th. Tomorrow's gonna be Sunday. We'll see how tomorrow goes in terms of market open, and the US funds are gonna be closed. It's Martin Luther King MLK on Monday, so not a lot of movement, if not no movement at all on the US index. But we're still gonna hop on the charts and probably look at, for example, the gold dollar or the US peso, and just kind of get like a hang of it on this practices and start setting up these tools that he's given us. He's probably gonna stop uploading this Path to Profitability, but that does not mean that there's no more videos to watch. There's still the original bootcamp video, and a couple months ago he also uploaded like a 9-hour video on getting the hang of trading. I am planning on watching those videos, and at the same time I will be uploading every single day just to get on the habit and holding myself accountable. And every day it's going to be more about taking action and start with the analysis. I definitely got to start with a proper setup so that I can connect the camera and the chart at the same time, but we'll take it one step at a time. And again, remember the why of everything. This is about developing the skill of trading, and once we develop that skill of being able to accurately predict where the price will go, money will become a side effect of it. And as we go, I'm going to be polishing the risk management and the risk reward ratio, as well as the compounding effect, we can call it, of how much I would be risking on each trade and how fast we can increase that, with the goal being of not only being profitable, but most likely starting on a funded account so that we can keep the momentum going and keep at it. But that's pretty much it right now. So yeah.